What happens if you refuse to get out during a traffic stop? What will happen?
Exit the vehicle now! Exit the vehicle!
What is your reason, sir? What is your reason? Step out now. All right.
Put your hands behind your back! Resist! Hands behind your back!
On the afternoon of February 19, 2025, at an intersection in Florida, in Jacksonville, Deputy Bauer stopped a black man, Neil, for not wearing a seatbelt and for not having his headlights on in bad weather. He stopped McNeil's silver SUV, as you can see, and was about to negotiate. McNeil, who was in the driver's seat, suddenly pressed the button and opened the car door. This reckless act angered Deputy Bowers. McNeil calmly explained that he opened the door because the window was broken and wouldn't roll down. When McNeil learned one of the reasons he was stopped was for not having the headlights on correctly, McNeil began to argue. He claimed that the weather wasn't bad and that his vision wasn't impaired, so there was no need to have the headlights on. But when Bowers asked for his driver's license and other relevant vehicle documents, McNeil became very uncooperative and kept questioning why he was stopped. He insisted on seeing Bowers' supervisor. Finally, he slammed the car door shut after seeing that the officer was stubborn and refused to cooperate. Bowers immediately called for backup.
Yep. I've already told you. Okay. Okay. Right now you're under arrest for resisting. You understand? You're under arrest for resisting. The longer you take us on, the worse it's going to be.
Soon, additional officers arrived at the scene. Seeing their colleagues take their positions, Bowers issued a final warning to McNeil in the car. "Open the door now. We'll break the window if we have to." Despite repeated stern warnings, McNeil remained defiant. He insisted on seeing their supervisor first. This stubbornness finally angered Bowers. Bowers lost patience and smashed the window and punched McNeil in the face. The other officers immediately went crazy and pulled McNeil out of the car. They beat him up badly. The other officers were also enraged.
Put your hands behind your back! Resist! Hands behind your back! What's wrong with you?
What do you mean? I was putting my hands behind my back. I was on.
Ain't no talking now, man. Ain't no talking.
Finally, police found a knife in his car and contraband. In the end, McNeil was arrested for resisting. He was arrested for possession of illegal items. On the day he was released from prison, McNeil, still upset about the incident, uploaded the video to the internet. He hoped the public would support him. Soon, the case against police brutality went viral. It caused a huge uproar. The media pressure grew intense. The police had no choice but to suspend Officer Bowers. They stopped investigating him. After reviewing the footage, the prosecutor declared Bowers not guilty. The force used was deemed lawful. What do you think about this case? Was the use of force justified?